Today's video is on the top 3 best LED downlights for homes. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Amico Dimmable Canless Downlight. Tired of dealing with the wrong lighting color for your space? With this 5 CCT-in-1 option, you can select from 5 color temperatures: 2700K, 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K. No more hassle of returning or exchanging lights just because the color doesn't fit your room. All you have to do is slide the switch on the side of the J box, and you'll find the perfect color temperature to suit your room. Now, let's talk about safety. If you've ever been worried about installing recessed lighting near ceiling insulation, you'll appreciate that Amico's Canless LED recessed light is IC rated. What does that mean for you? Well, it's safe to be in direct contact with insulation in the ceiling, and the junction box is thermally protected to prevent overheating. This feature makes installation much less stressful because you won't have to worry about fire hazards, even when installed near overhead joists or various ceiling types. Plus, it only requires a ceiling space as small as 2 inches, so it's incredibly versatile and perfect for tight spots. Now, let's get to the part everyone dreads: installation. But guess what? Installing these lights is as easy as it gets. Whether doing a renovation or tackling a new build, the process is super simple. All you need to do is cut a hole in the ceiling using the provided 1-to-1 hole template, connect the J-box to the wiring, and then use the spring clips to lock the light into place. Honestly, the whole thing can be done in just minutes. No need for complicated tools or a lengthy process. It's truly a hassle-free solution for getting your lighting up and running quickly. When it comes to brightness, these 6-inch slim pot lights are built with top-tier LED chips, giving you the best of both worlds: higher lumens and lower power consumption. With 1050 lumens of light output, these LEDs only consume 12 watts, which is equivalent to the brightness you'd get from a 110-watt halogen lamp. Imagine the savings? You can cut your energy costs by up to 90% a year. That's not just eco-friendly, but it's also a win for your wallet. And of course, with Amico, you're getting more than just great lighting. The long lifespan means fewer maintenance headaches, and all their recessed lighting meets the high standards of ETL certification. If you have any issues, their customer support team is ready to help, promising a response within 12 hours. Press that subscribe button like you're half asleep and need to dim those lights. Number 2, best overall, Powerasia Smart Downlight. Want a smart lighting system that's super easy to control? Let me tell you about this one. First, you'll need to download an app called Govee Smart. Once you have it, just follow the simple steps to turn the recessed panel lights on and off until the app automatically connects to them. Remember, you'll need to be on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for it to work smoothly. After you're connected, you can control your recessed lights in groups, making it convenient to adjust the lighting across different areas of your home, all from the palm of your hand. Now, these recessed lights aren't your typical lights. They're designed for reliability. The lights are 6 inches in size and come equipped with an upgraded chip that provides a much more stable connection. Plus, each set of lights includes a gateway that strengthens the connection between the lights and your Wi-Fi. This means you won't have to worry about losing the signal, even in large rooms or if the lights are far from your Wi-Fi router. No more frustrating disconnections. Another great feature is voice control. These 4-inch smart recessed lights are fully compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control them with simple voice commands. Want to dim the lights without getting up? Just ask Alexa or Google to handle it for you. It's completely hands-free and takes the hassle out of everyday lighting control. But wait, there's more. These 6-inch recessed lights also come with a remote control, offering you even more flexibility. The remote allows you to adjust the color, temperature, and brightness, and even group the lights for easy management. Whether you're relaxing at home or controlling the lights from afar, this remote makes things a breeze. When it comes to lighting options, these lights give you a lot of variety. The brightness is fully adjustable, ranging from 5% up to 100%. Plus, you can switch between warm white and cool white light from 2700 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin, depending on the mood you want to set. On top of that, the lights offer 16 million different colors to choose from, so you can truly customize your space. There are also 8 scene modes, and if you're feeling creative, you can even DIY your lighting scenes to fit your style. If you're into music, you'll love the music and mic sync feature. With this, the lights can change colors based on the beat of the music you're playing. It's like having your light show right at home. Whether you're throwing a party or just want to relax with some tunes, this feature adds a fun, dynamic touch to your lighting. So if you're looking for a smart, easy-to-use lighting system that can do it all, this might just be the one for you. Number 1, our pick, Govee Smart LED Downlight. Looking for lights that offer more than just basic on and off functions? These smart recessed downlights come with flexible connectivity options, supporting both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for ultimate convenience. Unlike lights that only work with one of these technologies, these downlights give you a more stable and reliable connection. That means you get the best of both worlds, making it easier to manage your lighting without worrying about dropouts or signal issues. Now, let's talk about lighting options. You won't believe the range you have with these lights. You can select from a whopping 16 million colors to suit your mood or the vibe you're going for. Want to set the mood for a party? No problem. Need soft lighting for a quiet evening? You got it. On top of that, the brightness is fully adjustable from 1% to 100%. So you have full control over how bright or dim you want your space to be. If you're after more natural lighting, these lights have you covered with tunable settings that range from a cozy, warm white at 2700 Kelvin to a crisp, cool daylight at 6500 Kelvin. The fun doesn't stop there. With the Govee Home app, you can explore an exciting variety of 65 preset scene modes. These are inspired by all kinds of themes, including nature and holidays, so you can instantly change the feel of your room with just a tap. If you're into music, you'll love the selection of music modes that sync your lights to your favorite tunes. Just imagine your lights pulsing to the beat of your playlist. Keep in mind, though, that you'll need the Govee Music Sync box to use this feature. One of the best parts, you don't have to adjust each light manually. Thanks to the all-in-one group control feature, you can control all your lights together with ease. Whether you want to change the colors or tweak the brightness, you can do it all at once using the app. If you prefer more control over individual rooms, you can even set up separate groups for each space and adjust them independently. But wait, there's more. These smart ceiling lights offer two-way control for maximum flexibility. You can manage them through the Govee Home app with a simple tap, but if you're looking for hands-free convenience, you're in luck. These lights also support voice control via Alexa and Google Home. Just imagine walking into a room and saying, "Alexa, turn on the lights," and it happens like magic. These smart recessed downlights aren't just about lighting up your space. They're about giving you total control and flexibility to match your lifestyle. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.